Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and initial installation of the ProCase Smart Case for the iPad Air 11-inch model, which is my iPad right here. I recently got an iPad and I'm trying to make sure that it's protected as far as investment. So I recently installed the Alien screen protector and then got this hard shell case to protect the outside of it as well as the screen when it's in use. Additionally, I got a soft shell sleeve that I'm going to be using in my bag to make sure it doesn't get damaged as well. But for this video, I wanted to highlight this ProCase and walk through the installation process. As far as models that this is compatible with, it will be compatible with the iPad Air 11-inch, the 2024 M2 Air, the sixth generation model, the 5th generation 10.9-inch model, for 2022, the 2024 generation model, and I believe those are the 4 or 5 that it's actually applicable to. The nice thing about this case is it has 21 different color options. This is going to be the navy, but they've got a wide variety of colors. I'm not going to go through it. You can just click the link below if you're interested. And then currently on Amazon, this is only priced at $7.19, so it's super affordable. Great way to protect your iPad without having to worry about it being super expensive. So this is the packaging it comes in. Basically has basically like a bag that you can open up, and we'll just pull this thing out. And so this is what it looks like. And so on the front here is more of a soft cover that's got this trifold kind of set up so that you can fold this around the back of it and stand up the iPad if you want to watch it. And then it's got this like sleek kind of like almost I don't know, metallic-y kind of finish as far as the navy color. Has the folds there on the front, and then on the back side here, it's actually like, I wouldn't describe it as felt, but it's like a felt-like material where it's a little bit softer, not a full felt, but it's a softer material, so when it goes against your screen it won't scratch it, which is nice, thoughtful design there. And then on the back side here is the hard shell case aspect of it. So this area here where that trifold aspect is still soft on the back side here, so it easily folds there, but the rest of this is like a hard sturdy plastic, and so it's hard shell plastic across the side there. And then on the top left corner here is an area for the camera, so you can still use the camera when the case is on. And then on the bottom here there's actually a port for the charging cable, and then there's ports on the side here, or holes here that allow the speakers to function. So it's a thoughtful design. What else do we have on the top? On the top here, they've got a couple areas here on the top as well that there's some openings, but I don't think you need anything. There's a button on the iPad here as well as on the side here, and all of those are accessible. So it doesn't limit any accessible feature aspects of that for the iPad, as you can tell, and it's partially see-through, so it's like slightly see-through, kind of this clouded kind of like navy color. But what we'll do is we'll just take the iPad, throw this in. So this is the top part of it. So what you do is just should be able to just click this right into place there, and it clicks. And that's all you have to do as far as installation. So the nice part about this is there's a groove pattern across the entire case here that allows it to kind of just slide across the case or iPad and click into place, so it's secure. And once you do that, it's pretty much secure and you don't have to worry about it falling out. The other thing that's nice about this is it's slightly elevated off the screen, so that it does provide an edge there, so that you do have an additional like layer of buffer from that standpoint. So installation is super easy, super convenient. You can access the button here on the top for the power. The speakers are all available there. The camera on the front still accessible. The volume controls are accessible here. You have the entire length here for the iPad pencil, so you can still put the pencil on the side here. And then on the bottom here, there's grooves for the speakers, both sides, and the power port, so it's really thoughtful. As far as putting the actual case down, or the top of the case, it slides directly into place. It actually is flush with the screen, which is nice there. And it actually, let's see if it stays closed. It's hard to hold it upside down. So it doesn't stay closed, but it does kind of insert directly in there. So that's pretty cool there. But nice look. This is what it looks like on the front and the back. You've got the camera port there, well protected because it is beveled there, and you have the flash still available there as well. And then what we'll do is we'll fold this up and see the functionality here as a stand-up device as well. And so you can easily do that as well, where you can just prop this up and without even holding it, it can sit there easily if you want to watch things or tap on the screen and that sort of thing. So pretty nice product at $7.19. You really can't complain. This is a great way to add protection to the iPad Air without worrying about breaking it, dropping it, that sort of thing. The cover here is pretty nice there. The fact that it can stand up is pretty nice. And the nice thing about this is if there is any damage to the case, you can essentially just replace it for $7-8 and not have to worry about it. And it's readily available on Amazon. So that's all I have for this video. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But thanks for watching and have a great day.